Welcome home to 171 Rifle Road in Unity Township. The home's placement far back from a quiet township road creates a prominent, buffered, one-of-a-kind 75-acre wooded setting. Circa 1800s, this two-story L-shaped brick farmhouse boasts big rooms and high ceilings. The house enjoys a view of the nearby private 4.5-acre lake. Plus, there's lots of grounds for the hunter or outdoor enthusiast with paths for off-roading, quads and motorcycles, and horseback riding. The property borders the newly opened Little Crabtree Creek hiking and biking trail, which connects to Twin Lakes Park. For more information on this wonderful opportunity or for a personal tour, call your friends Chris and Alex at laboonsmith.com.